Good afternoon. My name is Mohit. I belong to the beautiful city Chandigarh. Currently, I am pursuing Bachelor's of Technology on Information Technology from Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Landra. Talking about my hobbies, I am a cinema lover. I am a cinephile. I can watch each and every type of movies. I have also tagged some kind of movies like good days and bad days because every person has his good days and bad days. So I have also tagged some kind of movie like for good days and bad days, which help me a lot in every situation. Now talking about my technical skills, I am good at Java, but my main skills is at digital marketing and affiliate marketing. I have started digital marketing from 2020, and it has been almost 1.5 years that I am doing short of internship with my uncle in my uncle's office, in which I manage Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and generating quality leads for the customer and also for the companies, for my uncle's companies. I also expertise in customer relationship. Whenever I get leads, I source my leads and close it with the customer by giving them different packages whichever suits their budgets. Talking about my interpersonal skills, I am a good listener because I think even a best communicator must be a good listener, because failure of listening good, especially in sales, failures of listening good must lead to a disastrous consequences. Now talking about my strength, I am a very diligent person, and also I am very respectful to other. I can handle each and every situation person in a very respectful and a peaceful way. Today I will talk about the Aliens Group. So what is Alien Group? So if I give the brief introduction about Aliens Group, so Alien Group is a premium real estate player based out of Hyderabad. It is founded in 2004 by Harish Challa and Venkat Challa with the visionary zeal of transforming the Hyderabad landscape. On the left side you can see the Harish Challa sir photo, on the right side you can see the Venkat Challa sir photo. If this PPT is not clearly visible to you, I will definitely upload this PPT on the left side or the right side of the screen, whichever suits the video. Alien Groups deliver quality at the attractive prices. There are many different projects Alien Groups are working on, and they have bought a very interesting project, but in this video, in this particular video, we are talking about the Alien Space Station project, which is situated at Tellapur, known as, and Tellapur is specially known as the satellite town of Hyderabad. Now if I give the brief introduction about the Alien Space Station, so this is how the Alien Space Station look like. And if I talk about this design, it is of S shape. In this there are 30 floors, 14 station and 83 towers, and on the I think so 14th tower there is one helipad also. And why is this shape of S? Why there is a need to have the shape of S in Alien Space Station? There is a three main reason. I will talk it later. Now this is the structural advantages, and like if I talk about the three main reasons, first is geological advantage, like if there is any earthquake or any geological any disasters happens, it will not affect the structure. Second is it is designed as per international norms. It is designed as per international. And third one and the most important thing is ventilation. The ash structure gives each and every floor, each and every house a good ventilation and uniform area, light and ventilation from three sides. And also there is a shear wall. You can see on the PPT, shear walls helps in uniformly distribute wind and light in all the direction. That's why they are using shear walls. And also there are interconnecting corridors, like interconnecting corridor of length 1.5 kilometer, and it's give a building it strengthens the building also, and also gives connectivity in case of any emergency, or if you want to go from 13th tower to 14th tower, you can easily go with the interconnecting corridors. Now next, if I talk about the awards and recognitions which Alien Space Station have, first of all there is a City Space Award Real Estate City Space Award for Best Resident Development Future. Second is Indian Green Building Council Award. It is a platinum pre-certificate award which is given by the Indian Green Building Council. Aliens Group is the first company which has the three prestigious international property awards, which is a very much proud moment for us. Now this is the IGBC Greenhouse certification levels. Like there are three levels. Like as you can see, silver level, gold level, and platinum level. Silver level is like a third number, gold level is second number, and platinum is topmost of first number. It is a global leadership. It is recognized as a global leadership, and I am very happy to say that Alien Space Station is awarded as platinum pre certificate, and it is a first residential project in Hyderabad and one of the among in India to receive this green building platinum pre certificate. And also Alien Space Station is a winner of international quality crown award. It is among the participants of 117 different countries, and Alien Group has awarded in gold category. Now this is the project overview. Like I have told you about the shape S and what is its advantages. Now we are giving you four houses, 2 BHK, 2 plus 1 BHK, 3 BHK and duplex. You can choose according to your budgets. Now next, if I talk about the Alien Space Station is not only giving you the houses, they are giving you all the things like live, work, shop and play. They always think about that we can give all the things inside their societies. Like you can live there, you can work there like almost 5 to 10 minutes away. All the MNCs company like there are Apple, Amazon, Google, all the MNCs companies around 5 to 10 minutes away from Alien Space Station. Shop, there is Alien Mall. Play, there are indoor games and outdoor games are there. Now if I talk about total number of apartments, there are 2193 apartments, out of which 1388 apartment is 3 BHK, 738 apartment is 2 and 2 plus 1 BHK, 14 are sky villas, 53 are duplexes. I will talk later about the sky villas. Now total land coverage, 20% is only covered by the society and 80% is open area. It's all nature. And there are 14 stations, 83 towers and 30 floors. 80% of open area, like there is always a greenery around your society which gives you fresh air and good feel vibe. Now if I talk next, this is the Alien Space Station location map. In this you can easily see the Gachibowli is only 5 minutes away from Alien Space Station. The high-tech city is only 10 minutes away. International airport, like international airports always 30 minutes, 1 hour minutes or 1.5 hour minutes away from all the society, but international airports is only 20 minutes away from Alien Space Station. DPS schools and other schools are also 10 minutes away from the Alien Space Station, which is a very good thing. Now this is the Alien Space Station. You can see all the things like from schools, from offices, from restaurants. It's all around at the range of 20 to 25 minutes. Like restaurants is only 5 minutes away. Food courts is also only 5 minutes away. Food court, not normal food courts. Domino's, Lapino's pizzas, KFC, Subways is only 5 to 10 minutes away from Alien Space Station. Shopping center is only 10 minutes away, but we have our own shopping center also. If you want to go to other shopping center, it is only 10 minutes away. Universities are also only 10 minutes away. Major thing is hospitals are only 5 minutes away from Alien Space Station. Now if I talk about the schools, like the place when I think so at 6th standard, the place where I lived, the school is I think so around 6 to 8 kilometers away. So it is very difficult for my parents to pick up and drop from the school. So schools are only 5 minutes away, not small schools, all private school like Birla Open Minds is only 5 minutes away. Kendra Vidyalaya is also only 5 minutes away. Indus is also only 5 minutes away, and also shopping malls is only 10 to 15 minutes away from Alien Space Station. That's why it is also called Tellapur is also known as the heart of New Hyderabad. because it is well served by road, rails and airs. Now if we talk about next, these are the latest development which developed, I think so, across 10 to 20 minutes away from alien space station. The major MNCs company like Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Infosys, IBM, Accenture, Dell, they all are located 5 to 10 minutes away from alien space station, which is a very plus point for the people who are living in alien space stations. Now everyone lives their life, everyone lives their normal life. Middle class people has lives their normal life and with their small houses or the big houses, but alien group and alien space station always gives you a smart life and a smart home, in which you will get the high tech features such as biometric security, home automation, Wi-Fi accessibilities, touch-based electrical switches and etc, which I will talk it later. Now next, if I talk, see, experience the urban paradise. See, this is the evening look of the alien space station, where the first ray of the morning sun brightens your day, and it is just like the heaven on the earth. Now if I go to the next slide, we will talk about the apartment interiors. Now what are the things which we are giving you on the apartment interiors? We will talk it in this segment. Now these are the apartment interiors. You can see 4 sections. The first is living room, and this is how living room looks like. Second is kitchen, and third is bedroom. Now if I talk about living room, it is designed and inspired by the modern architecture. It is not a normal living room. It is all made of a modern architecture, in which you will get French windows, abundant glass switches, balconies with a spectacular view, touchpad switches and vertified tile flooring. And if I talk about the kitchen, like every Indians is a food lover, and every Indian wants a kitchen to be a best place in their home. So kitchen is in kitchen we will provide you a centralized LPG cooking gas collections, breakfast counter tables, that area for washing utensils, stainless steel sink and drain board. Now if you go on the bedroom segment, these are 3 things: stylish, personable and private also, because in this you will get a remote control switches. Like if you are tired and if you are lying on the bed, you want to switch on the lights, switch off the lights, switch on the fans, switch off the fans. You can easily switch on and off all the appliances by just only one remote. And spectacular windows often leading to individual balconies. All the bedrooms has its individual balconies. This will maintain your privacy also. Like if we go to the next slide, this is the bathroom segment. Bathroom has been fully specified with the fixture and fitting that today's buyers demand. In this we are giving you the Hindware Jaguar company's ceilings, shower and bath fittings, fixed bathtub by Bathline, and bath accessories and stainless steel towel rails as standard fixture. Now what is the interior package? We are giving you 3 interior packages. First is contemporary, second is nature and third is bespoke. Now if I talk about the contemporary option, so in this contemporary option we are providing you in your home there is a mixture of black and white colors, like which give you a aesthetic look at your home. Like if you see the living room, these sofas are of black colors and all the floor and ceiling and windows are of white colors. And this is your bedroom and how it looks like, and this is how your bathrooms look like, this is how your living room looks like in the contemporary option. And this is how penthouse and sky villa looks like if you are choosing a contemporary option. Now second is natural option. Now what is in the natural option? In natural option we always provided you a good look, a greenery look or a shiny look, in which we are giving you all the things in a cream and a white color, which gives you a feel good vibe. Like sofas are of cream color and all these structure are of white colors, and Pent Villa and Sky Villa look like this if you are choosing the nature options. Third is bespoke option, and in the bespoke option we are giving you all the things in a brown and a white color, and in this we are specially done the wooden things. Like everywhere there is a work of wooden, like there is wooden ceiling, wooden floors also, and it is a mixture of brown and a white color. If you are choosing bespoke option, it is a mixture of brown and a white color. Sky Villa, in this bespoke option, Sky Villa is looking like this. Now Alien Space Station provided you a advanced technology, so experience the intelligence of invisible technology which Alien Space Station provided you. First of all, touchscreen home automation. Second, video door phone. Third is biometric locking system. Biometric locking system is always in our phones, tablets, so we are giving the biometric locking system at your doors also, and main door also. 100% power backup, like if electricity is gone, our generator will automatically starts and gives you the electricity. Piped gas connections, reverse osmosis system, and 5-year facility management system. If you have any problem within 5 years, we are giving you the 5-year facility management system, and its cost is free. It is free of cost. Now if we go to next slide, these are the advanced home automation highlights, in which we have provided you interfaces, AVs, climates. Like you can see on the screen, on the climate screen, the indoor temperature, the outdoor temperature, how much power you are using on your peak hours, the lightings, all the switches and lightings are the touch lightings on touch switches, and home automations, fire and gas alarm alerts, and the most important thing, program using the email notification agent. Now what is program using the email notification agent? Like someone brokens your window or someone is forcefully opens your door, so the security system or security alert will give you one email message, a email notification that someone is doing this thing, and this will very much helpful for the security reasons. If I go to next slide, these are all the other things like home motion sensor, maid mode, kid modes. Now what is maid mode? This is a very interesting part. Like if your maid reaches late and you are not at your home, she can enter the houses if you authorized her remotely, and you can also receive SMS on maid arrival and maid whenever exit your houses. Now on the next slide, these are the flat enhancement options. We are giving you 3 flat enhancement options. If I talk about the first option, if you have a small and a low budget, you can opt for option 1, in which we will provide full size UPVC window, bigger main doors, private corridors, and glass railing in balcony. If you have low budget also, we will provide you aesthetic and a good look in your house. If you have a decent budget, a good budget, you can opt for the option 2. In this, all the things which is in option 1 is there, and along with that we are giving you digital switches, emulsion paints, bigger main doors, and utility glass doors. And in the option 3, if you have a big budget, then you can opt for the option 3. In this, like in option 2, everything is there which is in option 1 and option 2. Along with that, we are giving you thermostatic valve mixture, digital switches, white cement based putty, and performance glass railing in balcony, and bigger main doors, 8x4 main doors, which is very much bigger as we compare from option 1 and option 2. Now if we go to next slide, greeners, like we are not, or Aliens Group and Alien Space Station are not providing you the advanced technology, they are also providing you the green buildings which saves money, energy, and planet also. A green building uses less energy less water and natural resources. So it creates less waste, and which is healthier for the people living inside the buildings. Now these are the main advantages. Like there are many health advantages, energy benefits also, social benefits also, environment benefits also, economic benefits also, lifestyle benefits also. It improves indoor air quality, uses renewable energy, and less utility bill payments. So you are not to worry about the bill payments, you are getting a less utility bill payments. So on the next slide we talk about the clubhouse. So on the previous slides we are always talking about the interior designs. Now we are talk about the clubhouses. So what are the clubhouses? In clubhouses we are providing from sports to relaxation to fun, and the clubhouse make it all alive. There is a yoga and a meditation hall, AC services room for the guest. Like whenever the guest arrives at your home, we are always searching for the hotels in which our guests can stay. So not to worry, we are giving you the AC services room for the guest, which is only for the people who lives in alien space station. It is not open for the outsiders. And there is a library, a child care crash services is also available. Like if at your home all the people are working, so you can opt for the child crash services, in which we will take care of your child, and whenever you came from your offices you can pick your child from the child crash care services. And these are the outdoor and indoor games which is provided by the alien space station. In the outdoor games, yeah, you can see on the pictures also, there is mini golf driving range, there is cricket net, tennis courts, kids fun pool, kids play area, jogging track, and also skating ring. Yeah, you can see this skating ring, and you can see this tennis court also. And in the indoor you can see this table tennis, shuttlecock, AC gyms, which is very much good for the gym lover. Like a gym lover always want the gyms inside the society, and we are providing the AC gyms, pool table and swimming pool also. Now if we go to the next slide, these are the AC gyms look like. These are the indoor basket court, this is the indoor swimming pool, and this is the outdoor swimming pool. There are two types of swimming pool are there, indoor swimming pool and outdoor swimming pool. Now we provide you the aliens mall. Like we are providing you everything. Like first of all we are providing you the advanced technology, we are providing you the green society. Now we are providing you the aliens mall, which is in your society, in your aliens space station. In this we are providing you the banks and ATMs, multiplex theater, and if you are bored at your home, you want to watch any movie, you can just walk 2 to 3 minutes and go to aliens mall and enjoy the movies. Restaurant and coffee shops are also there, saloons and other outlets are also there, but most important thing is books and stationery and supply stores are also there. Now if we go to next slide, this is the helipad, which is located at the 30th floor, 9th station, and easily accessible from any floor and any station from 1 to 14. Now this is the fire safety measure in alien space station. Like we ensure a minimum amount of fire accidents in the alien space station, but if this happens, so we have the refuge areas. In case of fire, the resident can go to near refuge area in which they can be safely evacuated. There is heat and smoke detector. There is a helipad. Helipad is most important thing because the people who are living on the top floor, they can easily go to the helipad, and it is designed in an effective location for a effective evacuation and medical emergencies. There are gas safety, there is a staircase, there is a fire engines also. Integrating facilities are also there in the fire safety measure. So we provided all the things in the fire safety measure, also on all the advanced things, but it will never happen in your society. I am very much sure that. Now if we go to the next slide, this is the vehicular access, in which we are giving you the 4 residential car park access. You can access that car park from the south side and the west side, and we are giving you the commercial car park access also, 2 commercial car park access and 2 service access. And the next is traffic management system. The chip is inserted in your vehicle. The chip inserted vehicle will automatically release the boom barriers. Like these are the boom barriers. Like the chip, if the chip is inside your vehicle, this boom barrier will automatically release. You have not to wait for any security guards to open these boom barriers. Multi-level car parking systems are there. 7 entry and exit points are there. Now if I go to the next slide, this is the external road network. Like this is the alien space station. If you can see this is the alien space station. Tallapur is here, and the major railroad is only 10 minutes away from alien space station. National Highway 9 is very much near to the alien space station, only 15 to 20 minutes away. You are 15-20 minutes away from National Highway 9, which is very much good for the people who travels a lot. Pumping concrete 120 meters is not a easy job. It is not a water which we are pumping 120 meters. So we are like using the latest construction technology for building these societies. If you are going to next slide, these are the lift lobbies. This is how lift lobby look like. This is how your corridor look like, and it's all modern. It's look aesthetic and a modern look. If you go to next slide, these are some of the structures. Some of the structures of the 2 BHKs, 2+1 BHKs, 3 BHKs and villas, in which we are providing you the dimensions of all the things, like for the balcony, how much dimensions, for the service area, bedroom to kitchen, master bedroom. So we are providing these all things in this. On the next slide, these are some of the project specification. We have talked it before. So if you go to the next slide, what to look for in real estate. It sounds strange, but you have to be careful while investing in your house. Like it is your hard-earned money. So here is the checklist you need to tick off while you are taking the big decision, like location. Like in our alien space station, it is located at Tallapur, which is almost at the center of the Hyderabad, and all the things is only 10 to 15 minutes away from alien space station. Loans and clear land titles, security. Aliens group of company provide you 24/7 security, accessibility, supermarket, grocery market. Aliens mall is in the society, which is only 5 minutes away from your home. Water and air. We are providing you 24-hour water supply also, and electricity supplies also. And for a healthier lifestyle is certified by the Indian Green Building Council, which I talked before 10 to 15 slides before, that we have got a platinum award by the Indian Green Building Council. And asset management services. These are the things you need to tick off while taking the big decisions. Now if you go to the next slide, other projects is what are the other projects alien group of companies, alien groups are working on. So these are the other projects. First is Alien Elite, second is Alien Valley, third is Alien Blend, fourth is Alien Villas, fifth is Alien Valleys, which is in Hyderabad, is also in Hyderabad, and this is Alien Hub Phase 5 development plan. If you go to next slide, these now if we are talk about the client testimonials, like the people who purchased the home at alien space station, what is their experiences. So these are the people who have purchased the home at alien space station. Mr. Vijay Kumar has told us that aliens has delivered more than what they had promised me. I am very much impressed with the quality of construction and excellent support team. Thank you, Vijay Kumar sir, for giving us this beautiful message, beautiful review and message. Rajesh sir has told us, wow, I have never knew that quality comes out at this price. Commendable quality by Alien Space Station. Thank you sir for this beautiful message. And there are other messages also. So these are some of the testimonials. And at the last, I would like to talk about my experience of marketing and sales in my uncle's office. I think if you are in sales and marketing, digital marketing and affiliate marketing plays a major role in reaching out the genuine customer and selling the products to the customers. And after selling the products to the customer, I think always be in touch with the customer so that they can give you the other genuine customers also, and this will build the ecosystem around you and you will get the genuine customers easily. So thank you for giving me your precious times. Thank you.